Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the error line and surrounding context. Open the file with visible whitespace so you can see tabs versus spaces. Once you know the line number, inspect the previous logical block, function, loop, or conditional, because Python expects consistent indentation there. Make sure your editor is set to 4 spaces or a single tab, and run Python mpy compile to confirm the exact spot. Don't stop at the error line. Check the whole block for hidden characters and mixed indentation. Once done with locating the problem, normalize indentation across the block. Convert tabs to spaces or vice versa using your editor's tool or a command like expand/unexpand. You should pick one style, 4 spaces is standard, and re-indent the whole logical block so every line aligns to the same nesting level. Make sure to handle continued lines, multi-line strings, and closing lines of conditionals and loops. If a line still errors, compare its indentation byte for byte to a known correct line to spot invisible differences. After normalizing, run the script. If it executes, you fix the issue. If the unexpected indent remains, isolate a minimal snippet that reproduces the error and recheck its indentation characters. Make sure tabs weren't reintroduced by copy-paste from other sources. Use a linter or formatter like Flake 8 or Black to automatically enforce consistent indentation and prevent future problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, open the file in a hexaware or raw view to find
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.